yourself now.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are doing it. Today, yeah. Topic with upon today is bread. What is bread? What would you say is bread? Alright, bread dough is a mixture of flour, liquid, and yeast, and sometimes other flavoring and enriching ingredients such as say banana for banana bread, raisin for raisin bread, and you have croissant, which is just plain. You have sweet and you have savory. So we'll get more into that as we go on. The dough should be paddable enough to knead with your hands on a floured surface until it's smooth. Meaning the flour, the dough must not be too tight. It not for they like, oh, you don't need dumpling. Okay? Alright. Non-sticky and electric. Kneading by hand usually takes about 10 minutes. The dough is fully kneaded when it springs back after a finger is indebted into the dough. So basically, I must say, all you know is that after you knead the flour, you're gonna put your finger, like sponge when you put your finger and it ease up back. Yeah, basically, that's what it's saying. The dough should be smooth, elastic, and non-sticky, and will often have small air bubbles on the surface. Yeah. So and also we have to take a look at history about the bread. Alright, first thing, bread was an important staple since Stone Age. Farmers created the first flatbread. Yeah, farmers created the first flatbread. A round porridge was mixed together and spread thinly and over a hot oven to form a soft pancake-like bread. It's truly amazing that the connection was made between wheat, water, and sunshine. The honor of mastering the art of yeast fermentation goes to the ancient Egyptian, who observed that if dough was left out in the open for a few hours, the resulting bread had a lighter texture and plain. The downside to this discovery was that it relieved an airborne yeast particle which. So then all the Egyptian did was keep pieces of fermented dough from previous successful batch and mix it together to form new dough. Brilliant.